Hello and welcome to Teach to Learn, the channel in which I teach concepts so you can learn them and I can better understand them. Right now we're going to be learning how to use the destructuring assignment to extract values from objects in JavaScript. The destructuring assignment is special syntax introduced in ES6 for neatly assigning values taken directly from an object. Then they're telling us to consider the following ES5 code, in which variable user has been declared with the const keyword and been assigned an object with two properties, name and age. Our name property contains a string value of John Doe, and age simply contains a number value of 34. Then we are declaring two variables, name and age, and for our name variable, we are assigning the contents of the name property within the user object by using dot notation. So our name variable is assigned our user dot name, meaning the contents within our name property. The same for our age variable, but it is being assigned the contents of the age variable within age property, within our user object using dot notation. Then they say name would have the value of the string John Doe, as I explained before, and age would have the number 34. And then they're telling us here's an equivalent assignment statement using the ES6 destructuring syntax. So they use the const keyword here, and they use two curly braces, type in two variable names, so name and age, and assign the user. So again, name would have a value of the string John Doe and age would have the number 34. So this syntax is doing the same exact thing as above. You are creating new properties called name and age and taking the values from the properties within the user object and assigning them to the variables with the same name. So name in this instance would also have the string John Doe, and age would also have the number 34. And they say here the name and age variables will be created and assigned the values of their respective values from the user object. And you can see how much cleaner this is in comparison to the code above. You can extract as many or few values from the objects as you want. And then we move on to the challenge, which says replace the two assignments with an equivalent destructuring assignment. It should still assign the variables today and tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperatures object. So here we have an object called high temperatures, which contains three properties with number values that represent the temperatures for the days. So yesterday's temperature was 75 degrees, today's is 77, and tomorrow's is 80. So we have three properties with number values inside. Then we are creating two variables called today and tomorrow, which should contain the temperature values for today and tomorrow. So we have our variable today being assigned the value of the today property from our high temperatures object using dot notation. The same for our variable tomorrow, but instead of today, obviously using the tomorrow property. So let's use what we learned right now to make this code cleaner by using the destructuring assignment. So we simply go const, open our curly braces, type in today, and tomorrow, and assign the high temperatures object. High temperatures object. Now, if we were to log into the console, our variables today and tomorrow, so console log today and tomorrow, we would get the same exact values from the properties within our object. But new variables have been created that contain these values. So we've successfully used the destructuring assignment to extract values from this object and assign it to new created variables, which are today and tomorrow. So let's run the test. And we are now done. Thank you so much for watching. And this has been your bearded coding friend, teachToLearn. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an amazing day.